I think he's the best owner I work with. So imagine someone as an owner who himself has been such a big achiever, such a great achiever, not even talking about cricket or asking you about a single thing, your decision making, he trusted your decision making.
Just to show that, the perception of Gautam Gambhir is wrong, is it possible you can either sing or dance for 5 seconds? एक line, एक 5
ये
second
परसेप्शन बने रहने दो.
शाहरुख खान will come running. Be so happy.
शाहरुख भाई ने भी करवाने की कोशिश करी, नहीं किया.
हाँ.
और अब तो ये हो गया, घर पे मेरे घर में बोला जाता है तो only 2 people who can make you dance is your daughters. जब वो बड़ी होंगी, मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं लगता. नहीं, शाहरुख भाई ने बहुत कोशिश करी. इनफैक्ट उन्होंने बाद में तो ये भी गिव अप कर दिया कि मैं बोलूंगा ही नहीं, तूने करना तो है नहीं.
Well, with KKR, we have to talk about Shah Rukh Khan at some point. So there was a point, Gautam, in 2014, where you went through, we actually mentioned that, and you switched the batting order and all that. When you went through a bad patch and then Shah Rukh spoke to you.
There wasn't even a patch. In fact, I couldn't score a run.
Huh.
So what worse than that a captain starts the tournament with 1 run in 4 games. See, I've said it a numerous number of times. I think he's the best owner I work with. And the reason why, it's not because I'm now part of the KKR, I was part of the KKR. I don't think so. In 7 years of me captaining, we've had a cricketing conversation for 7 minutes, except that patch which I was going through. And also at that time, we had this conversation because I was actually on a verge of dropping my own self. And the only thing he told me was that till you're here, and you will be here till you want to be here, you're not going to drop yourself. Because I thought that as a leader, I think first and foremost, I should have the courage to be part of the playing 11. I should deserve to be part of the playing 11. And in fact, told him that I think it's time for me to drop myself. And that's the only conversation I have had in 7 years with him when it came to cricket, where he told me that you will not drop yourself. Whatever happens, you will play all the games. And then things turned around. So imagine someone as an owner who himself has been such a big achiever, such a great achiever, not even talking about cricket or asking you about a single thing, your decision making, he trusted your decision making. And I'm not saying that all those 7 years I've taken the right decision. I might have taken some of the worst decisions, the bad decisions, but never questioned my decisions, because that's the relationship, that's the trust he had on me. It was a pleasure actually to have an owner like him.
But Gautam, I'll have to stop you there for a second, because I've got a text from Shah Rukh Khan saying, in that case, can you please dance to Chaya Chaya?
I can go back to my old profession. I can't.
No.
I can't.
Nothing will make you dance.
Nothing.
Who's the guy who can't stop dancing and basically the crazy guy in the party? Gautam, you're asleep at 11 yaar.
नहीं, मैं गया हूँ यार.
तू गया? तो क्या करते पार्टी में?
देखने.
Because dancing is not your thing.
मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया बाजू को, यहाँ पे कैमरा के सामने नहीं. मैंने कहा चलो ठीक, कैमरा नहीं. अभी हम लोग जब टीम पार्टीज होती थी उस टाइम पे, तो गौती भाई थोड़ा सा, गौती भाई
even after winning,
he's happy about it, the victory and all that, but he will not really dance.
गौतम भाई का ये कमांड है कि 2 चीज, I will not cook, I will not dance, बाकी everything.
And I will not sing, can't dance, can't cook.
हाँ, but can bat.
Now can't bat.